We are up to a $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, click on proceed and confirm, and bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. Look at the screen, $6.7 million in my Phantom wallet. I know you all are curious to know what I do. I'm just diving the meme coins instead of watching trading charts all day, and I will give you the same strategy that I use for my meme coin launches and cash out hundreds and thousands of dollars, so stick to the video. Everyone is still obsessed with the Pump.Fun lottery, but look at the data on Photon. It's a graveyard of 1 second candles. You're fighting a losing battle against thousands of other devs. The real opportunity? It's right here on Radium. The launch frequency is lower, the buyers are more intentional, and you actually have a chance to trend. If you want to stop gambling and start winning, you need to launch where the big money settles. Now listen, most of you aren't losing money because you're bad at reading charts. You're losing because you're playing a rigged game. You buy into a moonshot, crave for a pump, and then get absolutely liquidated by the dev who created the coin. You are their exit liquidity. In 2026, the meta has shifted. Trading is a gamble. Giving is a business. It costs literally $0 to launch a coin right now. Why would you keep gambling on someone else's project when you can be the one in control? You decide when to clip profits, when to scale, and when to move to the next one. It's going to be fucking insane. The Pump.Fun meta is exhausted. When you launch there, you're fighting 5,000 other devs for a tiny slice of attention. Plus, their new pump swap system traps your liquidity in a closed loop with massive fees. I'm moving to Radium because that's where the sticky volume is. By launching on Radium directly, you get better eyes on the project, you keep more of your profit, and you're actually positioned to scale instead of just gambling on a bonding curve. There are 2 strategies for launching a meme coin. And this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, just do your own research. The first strategy is manual creation, in which you have to find a narrative on social media, just like X and any other platform. In my eyes, there are so many tools for this, but I'm really impressed with the results of launchmeme.fun because every coin there hits Radium instantly. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, you can build from scratch by going to the main page of this site, which is Create Coin tab. Once you find your nowadays viral meme coin narrative, then bring it back here. Pick a name, a ticker, and an image, and click Next. It's that simple. But the second strategy is to copy a trending coin. Like, you just copy the coin that is already working on the market. Let me clear you. On this site, you can see the Copy Trending Coin tab. Just click it and look. Every coin you see on this tab already has a narrative that works. They're going viral and pulling massive volume on Pump.Fun. The play here is to bridge that viral narrative over to Radium. Let's run a live example so you can see exactly how much this method pulls in. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Get refresh and find a target. I'm going with this render token coin. Looks solid, and you can see that the market cap is fucking insane now. Jump back to the site and click copy to Radium right here. Wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. Every single launch at the beginning, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It's completely normal. It appears on every transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Give it a second to load, and boom, our token is live on the Solana blockchain. Now check your coin on SolScan. We're live on chain 13 seconds ago. It's all moving. Now it's time to create a liquidity pool for our token. Now return to the site and click create liquidity pool. This page right here is really simple. For the people who don't know what this is, we are just creating the liquidity pool. So once the liquidity pool is created, people will be able to buy your supply and it will be directly in the Radium DEX. Okay, it's really important to do this step because otherwise your coin will not be live on the chain. Now, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. That will drop whatever that amount is for 90%. Right under for the amount of sold to pair. That is the first buy in your own coin. By the way, bro, you are not losing anything here. It's the first buy. okay? You are just exchanging some of your soul for some supply to make profits later on. If you want to cash out your money and you want it back, you can just cash out and it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's not a big deal. It's not like if you spend anything, right? But yeah, here I'm gonna put 0.3 soul, then click on create pool, and then just wait for the Phantom wallet to pop up. As always, you'll see a warning. Ignore it. It shows up on every single transaction. Just hit proceed, then I understand, and finally click confirm. Boom, your coin is open for trade. Now just scroll down and bang, the render token coin is now officially created and live on the chain. Okay, people can see our coin and your profits will be right here whenever you want to see them. And if you want to see how much you're up at this moment, click on refresh and then it will refresh right here. And as you guys can see, our P&L went up to 140 bucks, which is a 414% gain in a couple of seconds because we copied a coin that is attracting a bunch of traders. Now click on view on Photon. Our token is live and gaining some buyers, but to add spice to the token, I'm going to use a quick promotion tool which boosts the token. So head over to promotemeans.fun and just forget about wasting hours manually posting. This site gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, then simply paste your token address and choose your promotion. There are free and 0.1 soul promotion is also available, but I'm going with the advanced 0.5 soul option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this render coin is up, select radium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, wait for a Phantom wallet to pop up, and then just click confirm and you are done. Now just watch, it's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time, and boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. So jump back to your Photon and see the live chart of your token. If I had to guess, I think we're up around 3,000 or 4,000 bucks. Bang, bro. So many people are buying in. That's exactly what we like to see as devs. Oh my god, bro. More people are buying in. I think we're up like $7,000 right now. Okay, we know that's actually insane. We made this coin for literally some dollars. This is insane. If the meme is hot and if you use the right tool for meme coin promotion, then you can cash out good money. That's exactly why people are saying that deving is the new meta. Anyways, I'm going to give this coin some time for it to marinate and for it to pump. When I come back, we will cash out. I will show you guys how. Alright guys, I am back in Bands, bro. We are up to at $8.5 thousand market cap. It's actually fucking insane. Like, it has been like 5 minutes and it's already up a lot. I think the question is here now, how we can get profit from this launch. So I'm going to, dump it. Now come back to launch Meme.Fun and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see down below, bro, 5K is what we're up right now, which is not really bad, bro. Like, dude, that's actually insane for most people watching this video. Right now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to just show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed and confirm, then I understand, and at last confirm. And bang, bro. That's exactly how you do it from the best. Now, if I return to the chart, you can see liquidity is removed. Now look, if I open my wallet, bro, bang, $5,632 is what we received. And yeah, bro, that is proof that deving is way better than trading, bro. If I did not convince you by now, I don't know what will. Every site will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Peace out. Want a quick boost to get started? I'm doing a giveaway of 1 soul split between 10 winners to help cover your dev entry costs. To join, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.